We are at Fairfax County Courthouse today celebrating National Adoption Month. We are here celebrating children and youth adopted through foster care, and that's what National Adoption Month is about.
I'm sure everyone is excited about today's event as I was 12 years ago when I was adopted. When my adoption was finalized. I was in foster care and then I was adopted. I've had some challenges along the way. I kept trying to keep a positive attitude through those challenges.
It's a great honor to be here today to represent the citizens of Fairfax County to recognize the National Adoption Month. As an adoptive parent myself, I understand both the benefits and the challenges that adoption brings to both the child and the parents. It's just so exciting to see when we have somebody get their forever home and have a place to come back to when they go to school.
Presiding over adoptions in the court, it's just a really special experience. We do a lot of mediation of disputes with all sorts of different issues on a regular basis, sort of in our day-to-day lives in the courthouse, and people aren't always happy. It's not always a joyous experience, but adoptions are different. It's something we get to do that's just so special and just infinitely positive and happy.
So National Adoption Month is so important because while we adopted 14 kids into their permanent home, their forever homes this year, we still have 10 that need their forever homes. And we need to do everything we can to raise awareness of the benefits of fostering and adoption and the need for foster and adoptive parents.
So if you're interested in foster care and adoption or being a foster and or adoptive family, please call us.